Small cars, city cars, get a little bit of an unfair rep. People, mostly on the internet, think that if something's got a small engine and dinky proportions, you can't have fun in it. Well, today I'm going to prove that's not always the case with this, a Kia Picanto. Kia's smallest car is usually found jauntily parked in town centres, doing supermarket runs, or being driven by people who say, "Oh no, driving's not really for me." At 77 horsepower, it's not fast, but it has weight on its side, coming in at just 990 kilos. Today, we're going to see how much quicker we can make the little car without spending any money. The name of the game? Ultimate weight saving. Okay, first order of business. Benchmark time around Castle Combe. While we're doing it, Isaac's going to explain what we can peel off the car. So, are we ready?
Ready for the stopwatch?
Ready for the stopwatch.
Count you in?
Yep.
3, 2, whoa.
Hang on.
We can't do any false starts.
False starts, okay, I'm just going to have to nail it because there's a slight hill. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
We're doing 60 miles an hour.
I think the weight's a bit of an issue, isn't it?
Yep. Hit the rev limiter. So what can we peel off here, Isaac?
I think the seats have got to go.
Yep.
And everything that isn't bolted on and that we won't get shouted at for taking off.
Okay, and over.
2 minutes, 0.96.
I reckon I could get a better start next time. Oh, hang on. You weigh stuff. You're heavy.
That's a problem. And you left the aircon on.
And I left the aircon on, so I'm going to kick you out. You're going to time me from over there. I'm going to turn the traction control off and try not to start really badly like last time. And Isaac down, how much faster am I without my passenger?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Come on, little Kia. Oh, I've got my foot to the floor and it's just not doing anything. Come on, little car. Lots of brakes for quarry, lots of brakes for quarry, down into third, try not to fall off. Falling out of the seat.
He is going a lot quicker than it felt when I was in there.
Clip and apex, and across the line.
I didn't think I was that heavy.
Ooh.
That may have been 3 seconds quicker.
I do need to point out before we go any further, I'm not a racing driver, so this isn't exactly sciencey, but it's more a gentle demonstration. However, we have our base time. So with an Isaac in the car, it was a sniff over 2 minutes?
Yep, and then without, 1 minute 57.
So losing an Isaac is 3 seconds, which means if we lose more, we'll go faster. So, Isaac, what can we do?
I reckon we start with the front seat, because you've still got to drive it, so we can't take both front seats out.
That is helpful, yeah, to pedals and such. Next item removed, this front seat was a whopping 25 kilos. Okay, Isaac, I'm on the start line again, and there appears to be something missing. We've lost a seat.
Yeah, so by losing that seat, that's 25 kg gone, and you've lost a me, so that's 91 kg. So at a good push, you should be at least a second.
Count me in. Let me put my radio away. Count me in, and then we'll go for a run. 3, 2, 1. Go! Yes! Oh, no! What an atrocious start! Come on, little car! And my foot is pinned to the floor. Feels weird, there's nothing there. Oh, brave pills! Woo! And across the line.
You were 1 minute 56.
1 minute 56, an actual second off. Amazing! 1 minute 56, this weight saving was working.
I just think we've got to get rid of more, including bits of you.
You're not asking for my trousers, are you?
We'll just assess that when you come back to the pits.
I'm really sorry, Mum. Isaac got to work stripping more from the car.
Made a horrible braking noise.
While he wasn't braking the little Picanto, he removed the rear seat, taking our trackside lightweighting total to a staggering 139 kilos, just less than the average weight of a gorilla, according to a website I found on the internet. So we've lost quite a bit of weight. Give me 3, 2, 1, and we'll do this thing.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes! Go, little car, go!
Lovely launch.
Big brakes, big brakes, big brakes, even bigger brakes. The lane keep assist is beeping at me.
This Kia going around is about 3 to 4 business days. which gives me enough time to, I don't believe that those scales are right, and he bought them in. I don't remember being 91 kg. Now, I always wear this coat because it's basically a rucksack. And just to prove that I'm not large, this is the type of stuff I carry around with me on a daily basis, just in case you need it. You know, need a phone, just in case you need to call anyone. So it's always important to carry around receipts, car keys, and this is why the weight's added up. I mean, I always carry a camera battery in case camera guys need a battery, I'm there. 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5 pounds, and because this is being filmed, James May's microphone. So that is the reason why I'm 30 kg more than my actual weight.
I just don't want to let Isaac down, and I don't want to lose my trousers. Oh, that was a little bit scary, not gonna lie. A little bit of red and white. Nearly there, and over.
1 minute 54.
1 minute 54? That's ace. I'm really happy with that.
I think we can try for more. There's still a few little bits still attached to the car.
My trousers are staying attached to me.
Oh, there's other stuff.
My top is staying attached to me.
You could lose the jacket though, you're in a warm car.
Yeah, without the aircon on, it is quite toasty in here.
Desperate to hold on to my trousers and dignity, Isaac peeled every last gram from the Kia. Well, every last gram that Kia would let us without a telling off. We had to keep the doors on.
Last lap, no pressure. What else have you taken out of my car?
Everything that will stop you being in court with Kia. So all the boot flooring, mats, everything.
Right.
Front number plate.
Front number plate's gone.
The rear one's stuck on, and we
Right.
don't want to damage it, so that's not coming off.
So round the back, okay, rear number plate, so you've added a badge.
Yeah, it's a Sport Plus. Now, when you've got first cars and things with not much power, which this is sort of the market for,
Yep.
that makes it quicker.
I hear a badge adds 5 horsepower, which means we've got 82.
Yeah, exactly. So we're in.
Okay.
The problem
we're in.
is,
Yep.
sort of letting the side down. Like me, you've got a heavy jacket.
Yeah, you're not having my trousers.
Final weight reductions made. Let's see if it worked.
3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, come on!
That was a good start, and something's fell off, so we've got more weight saving.
Up to third. Yes. It does, I mean, it already felt light, but it feels lighter.
What does that look like? It looks like the bung that holds an air filter on, like it stops things shaking, or it could be off the gear linkage.
Who needs seats and friends? Oh, hello. Roll, let's roll. Foot to the floor, keep it pinned. Go, 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 go. Bit of tyre squeal. And over.
Ooh.
Last lap done. So how much weight did we actually lose?
This is 141 kg.
Okay.
That came off of it on the start line. So we don't know what that is, but the car it's helping the process.
There's always a bit left over. Anyway, how fast was it? How much time did we lose?
What do you think it is?
So I'm hoping a 155, 154 and change.
It was exactly 154.
So there you go. Take your seats out and ditch your mates, and you too can save 6 seconds on your commute, even in this little thing.